Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you the exact steps to sign up and set up your free Freshdesk account. First, go to freshdesk.com, click Sign Up Free or Start Free Trial. On the Sign Up page, enter your work email. Type your full name and create a password. Click Get Started. Next, set up your support portal. Choose a subdomain name, like your company. This is your help desk URL. Click Continue. Add your company name and phone number. Click Continue. Answer the questions about team size and click Continue to finish. You're now in your main dashboard. First, add your support email. On the left, click Admin. Then, select Email. Click Add Email Address. Add the email customers use, like support@yourcompany.com. Finally, invite your team. Go back to Admin and click Team. Click New Agent, enter their email, and click Add. They'll get an invite. And that's it. You've created your account, set up email, and invited a teammate. If this got your help desk ready, please like and subscribe for more. See you in the next one.